out there to hire. What happens actually is that individual organizations or maybe locations, they end up having turnover that they think is the problem. And the attempt is, well, let's solve turnover as a problem by trying to get more people in.
Sure.
As opposed to the reality that turnover is a symptom. No organization on this planet has a turnover problem. They have morale problems. They have trust problems. They have manager problems. That leads to turnover. And by focusing on that symptom, not the root cause, then there's this throw stuff at a wall and see what sticks kind of approach versus data-driven insights that close the holes, that people get inside of an organization and they see they're valued, they feel they have an opportunity, they feel that they can stay and work and do something interesting, meaningful, or at least profitable for that position in their life. And when organizations get that right, when restaurants get that right, they don't quit. They don't quit at the rates that the industry average, which 40 front of the house typically in America, we're talking about a 41% turnover within the first year, about 43% on casual dining, kitchen staff would be leaving, within a year. But many organizations, probably many in your audience right now, I'm sure they're hitting 60, 80, 100% turnover.